$2 payment is made to my PayPal account every 60 seconds. As you can see, it works everywhere and is completely free. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The first step is to head over to YouTube. You won't be recording the videos or posting them to YouTube, and you won't need a channel for this, so don't worry. You only need to search to uncover various online revenue sources. Create a second online revenue stream so you can utilize them all simultaneously. As you can see on the screen, just leave them open. The following action is to go to facebook.com and create a new account just for this plan. Even if you currently have a Facebook account, I suggest creating a new one. Visit sniply.io after creating your account as the following step. You may add your call to action to virtually any website or online content with the use of the application Sniply. I'll go over step by step how we may use this free application to earn money, sometimes even more than $2 for 60 seconds. To register, just go to sniply.io and press the sign in button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to this page as a result. You only need to provide a few pieces of basic information to register on this website. Once you log in, a tutorial video on how to use Sniply will be shown. You can choose to watch it or shut this window if you don't want to. When you click on this button, they will subsequently display the essential elements of this website that you can use. The dashboard for your Sniply account will appear as follows. Returning to YouTube, the following step is to introduce the channel under the Earn Money Online category. There are many tips on how to make money online if you visit their video area. Just download some movies with free in the title. It suggests that no investment is necessary to use this strategy. I'll use this one as an illustration. I simply need to right-click on the movie and select to copy the URL address. Enter your URL here when you're back on the Sniply website. We will add a call to action to that specific movie, since that is how it will appear after you copy the URL of the online earning video into this box and click Create Snip. We will select New Call to Action. Here you can choose your existing profile brand. For my call to action, I'll go with button. Your message must be typed in this box. As you can see, the message is present, as well as our call to action button. Simply let it alone. The next action is to go to affplus.com. The AFF Plus network, a global supplier of CPA deals, features thousands of exclusive CPA offers. The phrase cost per action, CPA, means that you can visit this page and purchase numerous CPA links as well as referral links for all of these different offerings. Users typically simply need to enter their email address and occasionally even their name to qualify as leads, and you can get paid at a range of prices just for that. They don't even have to buy anything or spend any money for you to get paid. You only get paid when they become qualifying leads. For this method, go to search box at the top of affplus.com and enter surveys. In this case, our focus is on survey offers. As you can see, simply by sending someone to use of this mini survey websites, we might make anywhere between $1, $2, $3, and even $6 per sign up utilizing our affiliate link. For instance, as you can see on the screen right now, we're going to open up a variety of offerings here for $2, $6, and many other amounts. As you can see, all that is necessary for people to do is visit this page, register, and submit some very fundamental information about themselves. They only need to sign up for free on this website by entering some basic information, such as their name, email address, and possibly their street address. We will receive $2 simply for their registration, after which they may start taking surveys on their free website to make money. The easiest method of making money online is this one. It is much simpler to convince someone to sign up for a website where they can make money without paying anything. To get started, simply select offers like this one, which pays $2 for each sign up you can join, which pays $2 for each sign up. You can join the network for that offer by clicking the Join Network button, which will take you to a page where you can register for the network and acquire your affiliate link for that specific offer. Depending on the network you're using, you can withdraw your money directly to your PayPal account or to another network supported payment options. I'll replicate it when you get your affiliate link from this network for that transactions. To return to Sniply tool is the fifth step. Please enter your message. You should include a strong call to action such as make free money with this website. If you'd like, you can include another. I opted to put free because it catches attention. This button text can be changed to sign up here, learn more, or a phrase of a similar nature. The most crucial step is for you to update this with your affiliate link. Enter your affiliate link into this field by first selecting, deleting, and then pasting it. When someone clicks on it, they will be directed to this page where they can sign up for free and you will be paid $2 for their registration on that website. Select Continue from the option at the bottom now. Next, you can change the button if you'd like to. After that, just click the Finish CTA, Call to Action button and wait for it to load. Now that we have a Sniply, let me show you how it works. Simply copy and paste this link to Sniply into a new tab. It will illustrate how it works. Here is the video, and after someone clicks on it to start watching, they will see your call to action button below the statement. Make free money with this website. After they click on this button, they will be taken to a page similar to this one, where they can sign up for free and start making money by completing those surveys. As a result, you not only help them profit from this website but also pay them $2 for signing up. Simply start sending traffic to your Sniply URL to finish the process and start earning money. Click copy on this link to get your Sniply URL. And step 6, go back to your freshly formed Facebook account from the beginning of this video. When you are here, search for numerous groups related to make money online, work from home, and other topics. You can choose from tens of thousands of organizations, each with tens of thousands of members interested in making money online. Only a few groups and new tabs needs to be opened. You might, for instance, open this group, this Facebook group, and this one right here. In this community, there are thousands of people that are interested in making money online. Because you have so many groups, you have a tremendous opportunity to earn a lot of money. People will start replying to your post as soon as they see it. So just write a post that says, if you want to earn $12,000 every week for free, just enter in your information below this article, and I will send you a step-by-step video for free. If your post is not being read, you will be quickly buried by everyone else who is constantly posting in these groups. You're acting in this manner to elevate your post to the top, which is why your message will come to the top of the group when others start replying to it, making it visible to everyone else. They will enter information in their comment of your post, after which you send them your Sniply link. If you say, you can watch it right here, they will be led to the video where you call to action. Make free money with this website will be accessible after clicking on your Sniply link. You will receive $2 if they click on it and sign up. This method has a ton of promise because you can use it with all these different Facebook groups, channels, and video content. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.